Imagine this, every single human suddenly vanishes from Earth. No warning, no one left behind. What would happen to all the artificial lights we've installed across the planet? How long would they keep shining? Let's dive into what would really happen, starting with the obvious. Most lights wouldn't last very long. Our global power grids are heavily dependent on human operation and maintenance. While demand would technically drop, since we're all gone, appliances like fridges, heaters, and random electronics would still be running. Fossil fuel power plants, which provide most of the world's electricity, rely on a steady supply chain that includes mining, shipping, and refueling, all jobs done by people. Without us, these plants would begin shutting down within hours. As each plant drops offline, others would face overwhelming demand, causing a domino effect of outages. The result? A massive, uncontrolled blackout. What about nuclear power? Well, it's a bit more complex. Nuclear reactors carry enough fuel to run for years. A cube of uranium, for example, holds millions of times more energy than an equal-sized piece of coal. But here's the catch. Most reactors are designed to shut down automatically if anything malfunctions, and with no one around to intervene, even a minor glitch would cause the reactor to safely shut itself down. Some isolated places, think remote islands or Arctic outposts, use diesel generators. These could continue running for days or weeks, maybe even months, until their fuel tanks run dry. Geothermal plants? They'd fare slightly better. Some systems might operate for a couple of years without intervention, but eventually they'd be taken down by simple wear and tear, like rust, clogged parts, and unserviced components. Wind turbines, surprisingly, might last longer than you think. They're built to need little maintenance. One windmill in Denmark ran for over a decade without human help. Some modern turbines are rated for 3 years or more without servicing. So a few of them could keep spinning, lighting up some control panels or warning LEDs far into the future. But even they'd eventually fall victim to mechanical failures, mostly in their gearboxes. Hydroelectric dams like the Hoover Dam could continue operating autonomously for years. But with the power grid down, the electricity wouldn't have anywhere to go. Eventually, sediment and mechanical problems would shut them down too. Battery-powered lights wouldn't last long. Even if nothing is using their power, batteries naturally lose charge over time. Most would be dead within a few decades. Solar power is probably the top contender here. Off-grid solar stations, emergency call boxes on highways, and remote monitoring posts could keep going for years, maybe even up to a century. As long as the sun shines and weather keeps the panels clear of dust, these systems could provide power to small lights for a long, long time. But wait, there's one more mysterious source of light. Radioactive waste. Some nuclear byproducts, like cesium-137, are sealed in glass blocks and stored deep underground. These can glow faintly in the dark due to a phenomenon called Cherenkov radiation. A blue light that appears when particles travel faster than light can through a material like water or glass. Even after hundreds of years, these radioactive blocks will still be faintly glowing, long after the last solar panel flickers out. So if all humans disappeared today, the very last artificial light might not be on a tower, in a home, or on a street corner. It could be glowing silently in the depths of a radioactive vault. Haunting, isn't it?